Okay, let's take another look at an example of multiplying scientific notation. This time I decided to group each number in parentheses so we can read it a little bit better. So we have 13.4 times 10 to the fourth times 14.1 times 10 squared. Again, we're going to follow the same steps as before. First thing we're going to do is multiply those coefficients, or like we said, they're also called it's also called the mantissa of the scientific numbers. Alright, so when we multiply 13.4, I think was it 10.1? Let me double check. Okay, it was 14.1. So 13.4 times 14.1 equals 188.94. So that's what we're going to record when we multiply those two numbers. Okay, so that's when we multiply those two. And again, I'm just going to drop down my other two numbers, my base 10, so 10 to the fourth and 10 squared. We'll combine those at the end. Now you can do it right now. Okay, you can go ahead and just make that 10 to the 6. It's not that big of a deal. I usually just wait till the end. Okay, so now we want to convert this to a scientific number. This is what step 2 is. So in this case, the reason this example, we have to move this decimal 2 to the left, not just once. Okay, so that's going to make our scientific number 1.8, excuse me, 1.8894 times 10 squared, and that's because we moved it 2 to the left, so that's a positive 10 squared. Okay, and then these other two are just going to drop down. I don't even know if I have room to write them. Do my best. Okay, so now for step 3, we're just going to combine all those base 10s into one base 10. We have a 2, a 4, and a 2. And that, if you add those, that makes 8. So our final answer is 1.8894 times 10 to the 8th. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Again, this is easy. Okay, just make sure you follow these steps. Again, for step 1, you can actually combine those to start out with. It's just you'll have to add it one more time to this exponent, depending on how you want to do it, how your style is. That's it for this example. If you have any other questions about it, let me know.